All right, turning to your weather impact forecast. The fog finally lifted this morning, Majestic.
And a little bit of sunshine starting to peek through here and there. Now, it's not a whole lot, but we'll take what we can get. You can see a little bit of blue sky, but honestly, we'll have more clouds than sunshine today. We're watching for yet again another round of those afternoon and evening pop-up showers and storms. It's really just that typical August Carolina forecast where one neighborhood you get some sunshine mixed in with some cloud coverage. The other neighborhood, it is stormy. We're talking about tropical downpours. Very sticky again as we're heading into tomorrow. Temperatures, they're kind of just holding steady into the 80s. We're not really back into the 90s until this weekend. 75 degrees. That's our current temperature up there in Boone. 79 here in the Queen City. 80 there in Monroe. You can see live. This is what Kannapolis looks like. So still a whole lot of cloud coverage. Better than all that fog that we did have this morning, though. And our dew points, really all you need to know with this is when we have dew points in the 70s, that means there's a ton of moisture in the air, and that's why it is so humid outside. And any storms that do develop today will produce those tropical downpours where that rain is coming down quite intensely. You can see hour by hour throughout the rest of the day today, not a whole lot of sunshine, hoping for some sun breaks really between about 4 and 6 o'clock today. And our overall rain chances here in Charlotte, not looking all that high. Not zero, but also not high. 77 will be your high temperature out there in Banner Elk. 79 in Boone, lower end of the 80s out towards Lenoir and Taylorsville. Mainly cloudy skies today out there in Morganton. We'll look for mid to upper 80s from Lincolnton to Shelby, even there in Concord, and 86 is where you'll top off today in Wadesboro and Monroe. Overnight lows tonight slip down into the 60s and 70s, and notice how our rain chances, they will increase as we're heading into tomorrow for our Thursday forecast. Still not widespread, but better chances to actually see more rainfall. Doppler radar, now that we're heading towards the afternoon, looks exactly like what we had yesterday. A few of those isolated storms starting to pop up well south of Charlotte. This cell right here moving north, heading towards Chesterfield. It's not severe. It'll likely just bring that heavy downpour, similar as to what we've seen the last several afternoons. This is what my futurecast looks like as we take you into the later half of the day. Here's 6 o'clock. Now, I'm not saying nobody's going to get storms, because I do in fact think that we will see storms here and there. Now, not everyone, but I did pause our futurecast at 7 o'clock tonight because you can see a little bit of green right on top of Charlotte. Could see a little bit of rain. Overnight, it's going to stay nice and comfortable. Quiet conditions waking up Thursday morning. And then tomorrow, I do think we'll have a better opportunity to see more widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. Today, isolated. Tomorrow, calling for more scattered. This is what tomorrow's forecast looks like if you're making some plans. Again, temperatures into the 80s, a little stormy as we're heading towards the afternoon. And I know there's many of you who have the weekend on your mind. If that's you, 90 degrees Saturday, 91 on Sunday, and both of those days, we do have a chance for a pop-up shower or storm. You can see it here in our Jerry Hunt Supercenter 7-day forecast, but I'm not saying a single day that I'm calling it a washout. It's just one of those days where if you get a storm, you go inside and it should be over within 10 to 15 minutes. We'll see those temperatures overnight drop down into the 70s, but again, 3 more days into the 80s before those 90-degree highs will return.